Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to post a photo with music on Instagram. So if you guys didn't know, now in Instagram, if you want to post a picture, you can also add a music in it. So here is how to do that. So here I already on Instagram, and I'm going to just swipe right and click on post and choose a picture to post. Okay, I'm going to choose this picture here, and I'm going to click on the arrow, so just click on next. And to add a music, you can see in here and the new post page there is an option to add music. You can click on that, and there will be a list of musics that you can choose to add to your post. So you can just click on one. For example, I want to add this music, and here you can choose which part of the music that you want to use in your post. And when you're done, just click on the check icon and the music will be added like this. And then click on the check icon at the top to post your picture along with the music, and the post will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.